Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. So friend, in this video I will show you how to download and install UltraEdit for your PC. Okay, so go to browser and search here UltraEdit. Open this website UltraEdit and accept the cookies. All access provide you with the UltraEdit plus all the tools you need for your most important editing. Okay, and the world best plan, best tax meets the world best subscription plan. The solution million loves access. UltraEdit plus all the tools you need. When Mac Linux variant for both 5 for 1 licensing, optional cloud services. Our name is promised. Try title for 3 days. You will be using our tools: Ultra FTP, Ultra Fan, Ultra Compare, Ultra UE Studio, Ultra Edit. Okay, these are the other products of the Ultra Edit. Okay, and testimonial. After that, we will try to download its free trial for on PC, or if you want to download full version of Ultra, you can shop now here. Okay, it's 20% off for Christmas 25 date sale. Okay, after that we will try to download its free trial here and install it into our PC. And business phone company and operating system Windows, country, and after that submit. Okay, we just submit the information and we will available for downloading the setup. Okay, English 64-bit, 32-bit, and these are the other language edit variants. Okay, you can download for, and we will try to download it's 64-bit for English, UK and USA. The latest version 2022.1, and it is about going to be downloaded, and that is about 100 MB setup. You can see here the downloading has been started and it will download into few minutes. And you can see here it has been downloaded about completely, and we will install it into our PC, show in folder, and run it as administrator. Okay, allow this here, yes, and after that accept the license agreement and install. And you can see here UltraEdit for your PC free trial has been started to be installed onto your PC, and it will install. It has been installed, and you can install compare. No, just UltraEdit, open this, and you can see here the free trial of UltraEdit has been downloaded and opened into your PC. It is a free trial, and enjoy the free trial feature available in this software, and use your free trial for your usage. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and in this way you can also guys can download and install UltraEdit free trial, and other you can buy the pro variant, official variant from that official website by signing up and providing payment methods and other payment procedure to get the software. Okay, so in this way you can download and install free trial of UltraEdit for your PC. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.